Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is my third attempt because I keep messing up. Oh god. Okay, so I'm gonna go over intraday. So we did open lower, right? Even lower than the 5-day, right? The market actually gave us a good opportunity to enter right here, right? So we did that. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, bam, all the way straight down right here. Okay, then we were in this purple, right? And what did I always say to you guys? Wait for some type of, right, on the right shoulder, right? Wait for some type of red candle, right? And then the breakout, right? And then enter right here, right? And then that was like a 2-point trade all the way up. If you manage your trade within that green algo, right? We close this cup right here, and again, there is no reason to short still. And you had to know the support that was down here as well by looking at the 30-minute, which I'll show you guys later. So the cup closed, then the handle, right, and this purple, right, and then this pink, right. So here, right, we had that, right, and then the cup closed right here, right, another handle, right. And then this one was very good in the sense of you have a head, right, left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder. So this was an inverse head and shoulder, and then this gave us another 2-point move up, right. So in total, this was a 5-point trade day, right. So it was pretty good money today, but I stopped trading after 11 because I just didn't feel good, right, at all this morning. I still don't feel good, and it's just life, right? Some days you just don't feel good. It's not to do with trading, it's just like in your mental health in general. Like not every day like you just feel good. And it does sound a little girly, it is girly, but sometimes, like, you know, when your life doesn't feel as fulfilling, if that makes sense, or your life doesn't feel that you've done enough, or it just doesn't feel complete, right? Or you just feel like you're stuck. It's a deep convo. Like my first video, I swear to God, it was 20 minutes because I was yapping, and I'm still yapping. Holy God, stuffs. Okay, so I hope you guys understood intraday, right, and what gave us this move up, right? You had multiple entries. You had multiple entries at the break of pink. You had the break of purple, pink, right? So you had time to catch this trade, as well as identifying the structures and that we were in a cup, right? And why we bounced from the bottom right here, right? We bounced from the bottom right here at the 532 levels is because of the pink, right? This will always be support. So that's why I would say use good risk to reward, because everything here, right, is support. Everything here is support. You know, so you have to manage that trade accordingly, and you have to understand the context, the structure, and if we did reclaim that pink, we were likely to be bullish, and then it did break the purple here, right? So it just gave me confidence to enter the trade. So I'm gonna show you guys what the structure is right now. So we didn't necessarily close this cup. We have a little bit way to go, right? But if we do stay around this range right here, we're gonna see we should see some type of retracement, right? That, right, and then push up, right, and then we're gonna retest the 536.89 level right here, right? And then we're gonna get another pink right here. So right, so we're gonna retest. We have to retest, right? And then we're gonna make new higher highs if that's the case, if we're headed up, right? But if we aren't headed up, we have to wait, honestly, because you see the support here, right? So I don't agree with taking a trade right here yet, as of yet, right? I definitely wait for some bigger structure. For example, the close of a inverse cup right here, which I'm gonna show you guys, which I don't have marked down, right? Right. So yeah, so you want to take it right here with the break of yellow as well as the gray, right? And then you're gonna get a microstructure with yellow, right? So then you can take it to the, if the cup closes again here, or the market deems itself it built enough liquidity, we might even push down right here, right? And then reject right here, right? But so that's the play to look for if we are headed down, right? It is looking pretty good for a move down, and I don't know, it depends on tomorrow's news, but yeah, if we are headed up, wait for that pink again, right? And it looks like we are staying in this buying continuation, right? The strong green, so we're gonna have to stay in that. And if we enter right here, we have a great risk to reward right here, right? Almost a 20-30 point move right here if we can catch that, right? Up, but that is if we're headed up. But yeah, just look out for that. And if we do keep rejecting here, look out for the trade right here, right? Take it on a microstructure of teal. You'll be able to see it in the 1 minute, right? And you can enter in the 1 minute, right? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. My other videos, it was longer. It was like 20 minutes. And I just yapped. But I just want to also say, guys, a lot of times, right, the market is trying to beat you every single day, mentally, physically, emotionally. I don't know how physically, but like maybe physically in the sense of like if you get mad, you hit something and your hand breaks, and you're like, oh shoot, you know, that's the market hurting you physically, okay, by making you rage. Okay, I don't know how I came up. I think that's funny. I wonder if actually people do that. I'm pretty sure there's people that like that lost a lot of money and they're like, to just smash their monitors in. That's funny. I'd pay to see that. Am I an evil person? Yes, I am. But yeah, guys, like this morning I wasn't feeling it at all after 11, right? And I just made enough money to where the point was, the money didn't make me happy, and it was just like I just felt something else. Something was wrong. I still feel like weird. But yeah, it's just like days like these, it's okay, you don't have to trade every day, you know, just take care of your mental health, just find things that take care of it, right? Like if you have friends, in my case I don't have any. Also, I just want to talk about the sacrifices that you do have to make. A lot of people could just call me, oh my god. Okay, I have to take some calls, but yeah, I'm just like, just take it one at a time. Prioritize your mental health, because even if I'm making 5 figures a day, right, it's not completing me inside. It's not. There's always going to be that void, and as humans, we always try to find that void. But yeah, guys, I'm yapping again, but I just want to make it a 10-minute video because I care about you guys and I want to see you succeed, right? And when you're starting out trading, don't think you won't have to sacrifice anything. You will have to sacrifice everything. I mean, like your friends, your quality of life, even. You're not going to be going out as much, and you might think, yeah, I can do it, right? And then you're just gonna take a couple losses, then you're gonna be like, nope, I'm gonna sit my ass back in this chair. And you know, that's how it goes. That's what happened to me in my beginning stages, and that's what it's gonna happen to everyone, because trading will humble you, okay? And that's why I love trading so much. I actually do, like, after when I was filming this video like two times ago, right, like 40 minutes ago, right, I was like, what? Damn, why didn't I trade? Trading actually makes me happy, and it actually makes me feel good, right? So that's what I've learned. Trading does fulfill me, and that's why I do it, right? I don't do it because it like makes me money. It just fulfills me. It gives me purpose, right? And I just grown to love it. Like I'm just here every day. Okay, I'm just making YouTube videos every day for you guys, right? But yeah, guys, find like just prioritize your mental. Like even today, like after 11 I made the money. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna chill. um Even though trading, I love it, just not gonna fulfill you completely, right? There's still missing things like friends in your life, like which I have none. Okay, that's honesty, right? So yeah, some things like that, like, just like you, I woke up today and I was just like, I was just thinking about a lot. Just just tough, but we'll get through it, man. You'll get through it. Just part of life. um Time to hit up Tinder. Just kidding. I tried that. It was ass. Yeah, guys. You'll see me on TikTok. Just kidding. You. Oh God. All right. Wow. It's a 10-minute. Okay. But all right. Bye. All right, guys. Bye. Bye. I also have assignments. Which I don't really care about. But I don't know why I took summer semester. But because I also crave academic validation. So like A's get me feeling right, so it's always nice to see that. I have a quiz today, so hopefully I do get 100, so that'll make me feel better. But if I don't get 100, you're not getting a video tomorrow. Just kidding. You're always getting a video. You're never leaving, right? You're never leaving, right? You're stuck. Okay. All right. Give me a kiss back. Wait, why am I doing this, bro? I'm supposed to be a trader. Wait, you know how cringe it is to say you're a trader because of these TikTok cringe now? I just feel like just so cringe. Like, I'm not a TikTok trader, bro. Like, I'm a fucking real trader. Goddamn. I don't do fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps. What is that cringe shit? Okay, maybe it works. That's why. It's just like you're guessing the market. I don't even know. Like, it's not even. It's fair value gap. I don't even know what the hell that is. Okay. But what I tell you, what does work is price action structure. Everything else. Okay. Okay. But I mean, if you do find something that works for you, great. That's great. That's perfect. Fair value gaps, if that works for you, perfect. I'm not hating, I'm not judging. Okay, anyways, this is 12. Wow, time goes so fast when you're Japanese. Like, it goes so fast. Okay, anyways, guys, have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is big news. So look at the trading economics calendar and look at the news. I'm too lazy to put it in the video, but you guys know that I don't get paid, so I'm not gonna be putting well, that's messed up to say. I'm not gonna be going full on Super Saiyan on editing if like I make $0. You know what I'm saying? And plus, I don't even want to make money off this. I just feel like too much money is a bad thing. It really is a bad thing. Cause I don't want to get used to a life where I'm just like oh my god, the other day I spent like $300 on dinner. Okay, worst thing ever. Like, I just felt so uncomfortable. I just didn't fit in. Like, I grew up poor. Okay, so you just don't fit in. I don't fit in. Then the other couple days before, I had a Korean barbecue. It was ass. I didn't fit in there. And that's why I actually went to the other dinner, right? So I was like, I went to the KB Korean shit, and then I fell out of place, right? But I was like, I have money now, right? So let me be bougie, bro. So I went to another dinner, bro. Yeah, never. Like, what do you like? I'm sorry, but like I just say the most out of pocket shit ever. Like, how can I do that when there's like such a quiet place, when there's like everyone can hear you? Like, I don't like that. That's why I stick to Chipotle. Go to Chipotle, guys. It's like $10 a day. Like, eat that. Like, that's only $300. That's only $300 a month. Like, that's cheap. That's cheap. You don't even have to do anything. Like, I love going on drives. So like, it's like a 10-minute drive. Like, fun. Okay. Wow. I really am good at yapping. I could honestly be my own best friend, right? Like, when I go on dates or anything, like, I'm like, it's like I'm dating my not play. That's very arrogant to say, but like, but like I genuinely be like caring, right? Like, I'm just like so good. Yeah, I'm so arrogant. Like, this needs to stop. All right, guys, but do you guys know yourself? Like, learn yourself. Know when it's okay to call it like a day. Call it like, you know, just figure yourself out. That's the first key step, and that's what trading allowed to me to do, and that's why I love it so much. Even though like some days I feel off, like even though I missed the rest of the day, I just felt like I felt like I could have done well if I still traded the whole day. But also I knew like I mean it's okay to take that break or take that evening afternoon off, right? But yeah, all right guys, see you guys tomorrow. Watch out for news. Don't rush into a trade. Wait for the confirmations. If we're headed down, wait for cups to close. If we're headed up, wait for the cup to close, handle, for example, right? And we might even close this cup right here, right now, right? So yeah, wait for that type of handle tomorrow, right? Wait for it. But yeah, guys, all right, see you guys tomorrow.